Welcome back. We are still on the topic rigid motion and transformation. In the previous videos, we have learned how to rotate a point in the XY plane using the origin as our center of rotation. In this video, we are going to learn how to rotate a point in the XY plane using another point other than the origin as our center of rotation. So let's begin. Rotation of a point XY about any point AB other than the origin. We have our Cartesian plane here. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, and this is the origin O with coordinates 0, 0. Let's say that we have a point A with coordinates xy in this Cartesian plane. In the previous videos, we have learned how to rotate this point using the origin as our center of rotation. In this video, what we are going to learn is how to rotate this point A using another point, let's say point D with coordinates AB as our center of rotation. So how do we do this? Let's find out. To do this, we have to go through 3 steps. The first step is that you subtract the center of rotation, that is AB, from the point to be rotated, XY. So we will express AB, that is the center of rotation, in a vector form. Then we will express XY, that is the point to be rotated, in a vector form. Then we will subtract AB from XY. After that, we will rotate the resulting point in the given direction and given angle about the origin. Now, after you are done with that, we will add the center of rotation back to the results in step 2. So after you have rotated the point in the given direction and the given angle about the origin, you add the center of rotation AB to the result. And the final answer that you get, that will be the image of the point. We are going to solve some examples with these steps so that it will become very clear to you. We have 3 examples here and we are going to take them one after the other. So we will begin with the first one. Rotate the point 2, 3 through 90 degrees clockwise about the point 1, 2. So in the previous videos, we are rotating the point about the origin, but here we are rotating the point 2, 3 through a 90 degrees clockwise angle about another point 1, 2. We have learned that we are going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is that we will subtract the center of rotation from the point to be rotated. The point we are rotating is 2, 3, and the center of rotation is 1, 2, because we are rotating 2, 3 about 1, 2. So 1, 2 is the center of rotation. The first step here says that we should subtract the center of rotation from the point to be rotated. So what we are going to do is that we are going to subtract 1, 2 from 2, 3. So we will express 2, 3 as a vector. We will express 1, 2 as a vector. Then we will subtract 1, 2 from 2, 3. So we have 2, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1 give us 1. 3 minus 2 will give us 1. So after we have subtracted 1, 2 from 2, 3, we are having the point 1, 1. Let's move on to the next step. The next step says that we should rotate the resulting point. The resulting point is 1, 1. So we should rotate the resulting point, that is 1, 1, in the direction given and the angle given about the origin. The direction given is a clockwise direction and the angle given is the 90 degrees angle. So what we are going to do is that we are going to rotate 1, 1 through a 90 degrees angle in the clockwise direction about the origin. We have learned how to do that. We know that under a 90 degrees clockwise rotation about the origin, the transformation is xy will give us y minus x. So we use this transformation to rotate the point 1, 1. So using this transformation, when we rotate the point 1, 1, we are going to have the image 1 minus 1. This is the second step. Then the third step says that we should add the center of rotation to the result in step 2. The result in step 2 is 1 minus 1. The center of rotation is 1, 2. So we are going to add 1 minus 1 to 1, 2. And to do that, I will express 1 minus 1 in the vector form. Then I will express 1, 2 in the vector form. So you have 1 minus 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 will give us 2, minus 1 plus 2 will give us 1. And this 2, 1 will become the image of the point. So this means that under a 90 degrees clockwise rotation about the point 1, 2, the point 2, 3 will give us the image 2, 1. Let's look at the next question. Rotate the point 1 minus 3 through a 270 degrees angle in the clockwise direction about the point 1, 1. As we saw in the previous example, we are going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is that we will subtract the center of rotation from the point to be rotated. The point we are rotating is 1 minus 3, and the center of rotation is 1, 1. So the first step is to subtract the center of rotation, which is 1, 1, from the point to be rotated. So I will express 1 minus 3 in the vector form, then minus the center of rotation, which is 1, 1. I will express that one also in the vector form. 1 minus 3 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1 will give us 0. Minus 3 minus 1 will give us minus 4. So after we have subtracted the center of rotation from the point to be rotated, we are having 0 minus 4. The second step says that we should rotate the resulting point. The resulting point is 0 minus 4. So we are going to rotate 0 minus 4 in the direction given and the angle given about the origin. The direction given is the clockwise direction, and the angle given is the 270 degrees angle. So we are going to rotate 0 minus 4 through a 270 degrees angle in the clockwise direction about the origin. We have already learned how to do this. We know that when a point is rotated in the 270 degrees clockwise angle about the origin, the transformation is xy maps to minus yx. So we are going to use this transformation to rotate the point 0 minus 4. So using this transformation, 0 minus 4 will give us 4, 0, because the x coordinate of the point will give us the y coordinate of the image. So we have 0, 0. Then negative of the y coordinate of the point will give us the x coordinate of the image. So minus 4 will give us 4. So 0 minus 4 is giving us 4, 0. We move on to the third and last step. The third and last step says that we should add the center of rotation to the result in step 2. The result in step 2 is 4, 0, and the center of rotation is 1, 1. So we are going to add 4, 0 to 1, 1. So I will express 4, 0 in the vector form, then I will express 1, 1 in the vector form. 4, 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1 will give us 5. 0 plus 1 will give us 1. So this means that when we rotate the point 1 minus 3 through a 270 degrees clockwise direction about the point 1, 1, the image of 1 minus 3 will be 5, 1. Let's look at the last one. Rotate the point minus 2 minus 4 through 180 degrees about the point 2 minus 3. So the point we are going to rotate is minus 2 minus 4, and we are going to rotate it through a 180 degrees angle using 2 minus 3 as our center of rotation. We have learned that we are going to do this in 3 steps. The first step is that we will subtract the center of rotation from the point to be rotated. The center of rotation is 2 minus 3. The point to be rotated is minus 2 minus 4. So you subtract 2 minus 3 from minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2 will give us minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3 will give us minus 4 plus 3, which is minus 1. So after subtracting the center of rotation from the point to be rotated, we are having minus 4 minus 1. The second step says that we should rotate the resulting point, the resulting point is now minus 4 minus 1 in the angle given and the direction given about the origin. The angle here is a 180 degrees angle, and because it's a 180 degrees angle, the direction doesn't matter because both 180 degrees in the clockwise direction and 180 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction will give us the same result. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to rotate the point minus 4 minus 1 through a 180 degrees angle about the origin. We have already learned how to do that. We have learned that under a 180 degrees rotation about the origin, the transformation is xy mapped to minus x minus y. So we are going to use this transformation to rotate the point minus 1 minus 4. So minus 1 minus 4 under this transformation will give us 4, 1. Let's look at the third and final step. It says that we should add the center of rotation to the result in step 2. The result in step 2 is 4, 1. The center of rotation is 2 minus 3. So you add 4, 1 to 2 minus 3. 4, 1 plus 2 minus 3. 4 plus 2 give us 6. 1 plus minus 3 will give us 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. So after adding the center of rotation to the result in step 2, we are having 6 minus 2. And this 6 minus 2 will give us the image of the point. So this means that when the point minus 2 minus 4 is rotated through a 180 degrees angle about the point 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 4 will give us the image 6 minus 2. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to apply everything we have learned about rotation of a point in the XY plane so far to solve a likely examination question on rotation of a point in the XY plane. Bye-bye.